Hello everyone, Greg here, and I'm back at the workbench on this Tuesday. I guess it's afternoon now, July 1st. Yeah, getting ready for a holiday weekend coming up, but it's Tuesday, so I wanted to do another quick episode of Keep On Truckin' Tuesday, and today I've got a couple sedan delivery type vehicles to show you. And first one on the turntable is the 26 Ford Sedan Delivery. I believe this started out as a Little John Batura creation. This is a later on release of it, but it is a nice little kit of a vintage Ford Sedan Delivery hot rod. Call it a tall T. Yeah, one of my favorite color schemes is black and red, or red and black, either way. But it's a nice kit. Had a good time doing it. I think I have some sort of a buckskin color interior in this. Came out pretty nice, and it's one of my favorites that sits on the shelf. Got one more to show you today. We're going to try to make this real quick, but this one here is another one I'm sure a lot of people have seen and built. This happens to be the Coca-Cola version of the 32 Ford panel truck or sedan delivery. I guess I was struck by the box art on this particular model. I know it can be built a million different ways, but I decided that I liked the Coke livery on it, so I did a couple little experimentations on this. The fenders were done with a base coat of bright aluminum and then an overcoat of Tamiya TS39 mica red, and it come out with a real nice effect on that, probably more like a candy. The body I did in Tamiya pearl white. I don't remember what the number is, but it's, Tamiya products. I liked it because it had a really awesome decal sheet. The tires are the Tampo printed Goodyears. One thing you'll notice I did on this car on the back, have the good old-fashioned popsicle stick bumper, and the kit bumper just did not look right. It didn't fit right. I thought, no, I can't use it. I'll go old school and do this. Yeah, we've got a nice little wood grain on it. I like the decals. I didn't want to overdo it with decals because you could plaster these things up so much that they wouldn't even look good. But this is what I've got today for y'all. I appreciate all my subscribers, everybody that checks in. I love all you guys and gals, everybody that stops by and visits. I hope you have an awesome weekend. I don't know if I'll get another video in before the holiday or not, but until then, happy 4th of July, everybody. Bye.